Hi, my name is Daniel, and I have a question. Are you always losing the remote for your Samsung TV? Are the batteries always running out? Is it not working with your favorite apps? Are you struggling to use the web browser with those rubbery buttons? So we got a solution. It's called ControlMeister. ControlMeister is an app you can download for your iPhone, and it lets you communicate to the TV like a TV remote on any Samsung made in 2012 or newer. It's really straightforward, and you can download it now from the App Store. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process to make sure everything works. First, let's connect the iPhone and the Samsung TV to the same wireless network. This way they can communicate. Then we're going to open up the ControlMeister app and follow all the instructions so that everything is working. Finally, I'll demonstrate how ControlMeister works and what you can do with it. All right, let's check it out. Right now, I am checking that my iPhone is connected to the wireless network I want. In this case, that's Meister App's Max Stream. So we're good here. Now it's time to make sure the TV is connected to the same wireless network. And we're going to go to the menu. And then I'm going to go to General, Network, and hit Network. And then I'm going to hit Network Status. And I can see the TV is connected to Meister App's Max Stream. It's the same network as my phone. Let's open up the ControlMeister app. And here it is, opening up the app. So we're going to hit Get Started. We've connected our TV to the same Wi-Fi network as the phone, so we're good there. And it's explaining how all the basic controls are right here in the app. So ControlMeister would like to find and connect to devices on your local network. We're going to say OK to that, because otherwise it can't talk. It says no device found, but if I just hit try again, it's going to show up. And here we have it, the Samsung 8 series. That's this TV right here. So let's connect to that. Something just popped up on the TV. Now it's asking for the remote. Hit allow, and now the TV can be controlled through my phone. So I can, for instance, right here in Netflix, browse along with my phone. I'm pressing the right arrow, and I'm just kind of scrolling through things. And for instance, if I want to check out, I've heard things about this show, Umbrella Academy, but I'm not sure if I really want to watch it just yet. So I'm going to check out the trailer. And look, it's so much quicker for me to get there.
In October 1989,
and if I want to lower the volume, I can do that through my phone as well. Or I can raise it right here. It's all available right here through my phone. And if I want to get down to the menu here at the bottom, I just have to hit the Smart Hub tab. And now I can scroll through all the different features on the TV. So I'm going to open up now the internet, the web browser. And what's particularly convenient is I can use the trackpad, and now I can use my finger right here. So let's say, for instance, I want to go to a different website. I don't need to type it with the remote. I can just type it in right here. So I'm going to go to www.controlmeister.com and hit send. And there we are. We're now at the ControlMeister website. And let's check out, if you have any other questions, I'll just tap right here. And perfect. And all these functions are available. So I can go to my tools, I can change my source, I can change channels. Your basic TV remote is now on your phone. And this includes turning off the TV. It was that straightforward. We controlled our TV through our iPhone. No more switching back and forth, no more looking for your TV remote. You can download the app right now through the App Store or follow the QR codes and get control of your TV through ControlMeister.